I'm going to give a tip to generate more than 3 videos per day using Google's AI Pro plan in with the Google Gemini. If you have a Google AI Pro plan, it offers to create videos with the help of Google Veo, but there is a limit of 3 videos per day. So there is a kind of simple trick so that you can even create more than 3 videos uh, with Google Gemini. I'm talking about the Google AI Pro plan. I'm on the AI Pro plan. That's why you can see there's a Pro label here. So there is a limit per day. You can create only up to 3 videos. So if you want to create more than 3 videos, you need to wait for one day, and again you'll have to try it again. So here in this video, I'll give some trick that you generate more than 3 videos. For that, we need some prompts to generate videos using Google Veo. For the prompts itself, I'm using Google Gemini to generate it. So the second tab, I am giving some instruction. Generate some random 5 prompts for the generation of videos with Google Veo 3. Include audio, camera angle, and other important aspects. So it should create some randomly generated 5 prompts so that we can use those prompts on our video generation. So it is still cooking. You can see the cooking process. Okay, it's taking time. I think like that is taking time than normal. If you have any direct prompt idea, you can even try for the video generation, but I'm not taking much time to think about the video generation prompt. Let Google Gemini itself create the prompts. Okay, so there is prompts you can see prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4, and then prompt 5. There are 5 prompts. Now we have to copy this one and try copy this one, and uh, we need to open a new Google Gemini tab. Since I already have a tab open, I just move the to the end. Okay, just copy this one and click on the video, and uh, before clicking, we just need to open let me say one thing. You need to open 4 more tabs. 4 more tabs, or you can just duplicate it. Duplication, what it does is like it will load the same URL one more time. So I'm just trying to duplicate 5 times. So every newly created tabs is right now with Google Gemini uh, web application running. Okay, this is required to generate more than 3 videos. This tip. So right now we have the first prompt and click on this one. Okay, it is generating and copy this one second one and copy this second one is running. Third one, the two videos generation is running. Third one, we are just copy paste and click on that one. So the fourth one, it says like you have two video generation videos running right now, which is the maximum you can do at one time. So once it is done, the first one is done, right away we'll execute the third one, and once the second one is completed, we'll try to run with the fourth ones. Okay, so we just copy paste this one one more time. I think it's generated, so we'll copy and try the third one, and the fourth one will copy again, type here. The fourth one is also running now. And we have fifth one also here. We just copy here. The first one is already run. The second one is ready. Third one is running. Fourth one is running. Fifth one, if we type this one, it most probably will get a error message saying that only up to 2 simultaneous video generation can be done. Let's see. This coming on. Yeah, this right now. So what we will do, just upon completion of the third one, we'll try to execute the fifth one. Let's see what is going on. Yeah, this now right away execute. Oh, I think okay. So right now it's third one is ready, fourth one also ready. Fifth one there is a problem. I think that limit has reached. That problem has come. So maximum of four. We were able to create four videos. One, two, first one, the second one, the third one, fourth one. Okay. Fifth one, there is a problem. So only up to four videos we can generate. Instead of three, we can generate one more.